Good morning from Market Meteo AI. It's Friday, August 21st, and Wall Street opens soon. Here's today's market weather. Wall Street restarts under stormy skies. Yesterday, the indexes closed with a sharp drop. The S&P 500 down 2%, the Nasdaq nearly 3%, hit by rising yields and inflation fears. Overnight, the wind hasn't turned. S&P futures shed 1%, Nasdaq futures 2%. The fear gauge holds neutral at 52. On the dashboard, the air is tense. The VIX, the fear index, climbs to 15.5, rising nerves, but still in the normal band. The U.S. 10-year yield eases a bit to 4.69%, a small relief. Today's real engine is oil. It runs more than 3% above $87, reigniting inflation fears. And gold soars 5% toward 4,642, a classic flight to safety. On the S&P 500, we're trading around 7,641, below the zero-gamma watershed at 7,700. The put wall is far, at 7,000, while the main ceiling, the call wall, stays at 8,000. We're in a negative gamma regime. Below the threshold, swings tend to amplify. The close-up map shows us just below the zero-gamma watershed at 7,700, where the call wall also clusters. Just below, the near-put wall at 7,600 is the first safety net. The options balance, the GX, is net negative, a backdrop that tends to amplify moves and make the market more nervous. Below the threshold, the C turns choppy. The Market Meteo AI Barometer today reads risk off, with 60% confidence. 3 of 5 signals point to risk, while a still moderate VIX and neutral sentiment temper the read. Short term, we stay cautious. The risk is a slide towards 7,600. Medium term, we stay neutral, with oil and yields as the swing factor. On the calendar, next week is dense. Tuesday brings consumer confidence, a pulse of U.S. spending. Wednesday, it's the gross domestic product and, above all, the PCE index, the Fed's favorite inflation gauge. And from Thursday, the spotlight turns to the Jackson Hole Symposium, with the central bank center stage. In short, 3 things to watch today. The hold of the put wall at 7,600 and the watershed at 7,700, oil and yields pushing futures down, and gold's rally as a thermometer of caution. That's all for today from Market Meteo AI. If this report is useful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's edition before the Wall Street bell.